Why you shouldn't wash raw chicken before cooking. Hello and welcome back to my Wonderlist. Today's video is all about a common kitchen practice that you might have heard of. Washing raw chicken before cooking it. You might think this is a good way to get rid of any bacteria or dirt. But in reality, it could be doing more harm than good. In this video, we'll explain why you shouldn't wash raw chicken before cooking. And what you should do instead. Myths around washing chicken. As per the latest survey by Australia's Food Safety Information Council, washing whole chickens before cooking is an unhealthy practice. Interestingly, food safety authorities and regulators around the world also recommend not washing raw poultry before cooking. It is because washing chicken might spread dangerous bacteria around the kitchen and around the dish too. Chicken meat and germs. As per experts, incorrect cooking temperatures and cross-contamination between different foods are two of the most important factors linked to foodborne illness. And this is what happens when you wash meat. Bacteria are more likely to spread when the meat comes into contact with room temperature water. It is believed that there is a need to wash feces and other matter off the chicken meat. In fact, modern processing techniques mean chicken carcasses do not need additional cleaning. Some people believe that washing with a slightly acidic solution, such as vinegar or lemon juice, will kill bacteria. What the research says. As per studies, washing raw poultry in lemon juice or vinegar does not remove bacteria and can increase the cross-contamination risk. The studies have clearly shown that bacteria can be transferred from the surface of the chicken to surrounding surfaces via water droplets. Chicken meat is often soft, and the water flow can create a divot in the surface. This leads to splashing that would not occur on a curved, hard surface. It has also been found that the level of bacterial transmission increases with tap height and water flow rate. How to wash chicken at home. It is recommended that you wash it in a sink rather than under a running tap. Also, use a paper towel to mop up any liquids. Dispose of the towel and clean up afterwards. This activity will help reduce the risk of cross-contamination and keep the kitchen safe. And make sure to wash your hands after cleaning raw meat. Thanks for watching my Wonderlist. We hope this video has been helpful in shedding light on the risks of washing raw chicken before cooking. Remember, the best way to ensure that your chicken is safe to eat is to cook it thoroughly to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and educational content. See you next time.